Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Balenciaga model, Extreme BB0003S, in color code 004. It's a red color frame. The shape of this frame is shield. On the side of the temples over here, at the temple tip, we have a Balenciaga writing. It's engraved in the temple. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple. The lenses are a gray-red mirror color, and it has a Balenciaga writing engraved in the lens. Up here we have a Balenciaga case to put your glasses in, a pouch to store your glasses in, authenticity card, and a manufacturer card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.